The white-breasted kingfisher is a medium to large sized kingfisher found in many parts of Asia. It has quite a large range. They are often found well away from water and prefer an open habitat. The birds are quite distinctive looking, being coloured chestnut, blue and white with a large red bill. In Thailand they often frequent open scrub, paddy fields and roadside trees or wires. They have a wide range of prey, including reptiles and amphibians. The white-breasted kingfisher has a range of calls, but the loud, repetitive call heard here is quite common, and it often sits high up on an open perch when vocalising.